Well,
The pixel is late, but it's alright.
Whatever.
Welcome to another crap-free video. So the pixel is late. Late to the game, I mean. It has joined the smartphone world in 2016. Imagine. I guess this video is similar. Here I am trying to show you this unboxing, this late. But hey, let's get back to the pixel. Although it's new among its competitors, it has actually made a relatively great success. That was probably because they did it right, whatever that it means. To be fair and stick to this video's footage, I'd like to say that, as an iPhone user, I still am, because this pixel isn't mine. So as an iPhone user, I respect what Google did with the pixel. It's almost like the new iPhone, but better. Let me explain what I mean. Traditionally, the iPhone has some unique highlights that separate it from the rest of the market. And those are things like the packaging and unboxing experience, to things like the perfect harmony between software and hardware. Well, guess what? Apple has been doing a pretty crappy job recently. And I'm not gonna waste your time listing what crappy things Apple has been doing. The point is that the Pixel is really shining at the things that have been typically associated with iPhones, like instant software updates, stock OS experience, stability, and even a great camera. So yeah, the Pixel is late, but so what? This video is late too, so I hope it does it right, just like the Pixel did. If not, here's a beatbox freestyle just for you. Alright, that will do it for me. Feel free to like or dislike, and maybe subscribe. This is Imad, and these were my thoughts. What do you think?